let us all witness the entrance of our Mutiana Tambungon 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, our Mutiana Tambungon 2024 is the daughter of Mr. Roberto and Mrs. Nora Uchi. She was born on October 15, 2008. Our Mutiana Tambungon 2024 is a 15-year-old grade 11 student of Viga Rural Development High School and wants to be a surgeon someday. Her motto in life goes this way: positive thinking will let you do everything better than negative thinking will. Once again, let us give our sounding applause to our Mutiana Tambungon 2024, Miss Sofia Elisa Yu Traveler. Palakpakan!
At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, let us all rise for a short prayer to be led by Ma'am Hidayah Castillo, a teacher of